Hi everyone, welcome to Race2Buy. Today I'll be describing some of the features of the vendors or sellers to you. So first of all, you click the right icon over here. Then you will see yourself as a store manager. After that, click on orders. You shall be able to see some of the orders pending from your customer. So first of all, we will be describing some of the actions on the right side. First icon, mark as complete. Second, view details. Third, commission invoice. Fourth, store invoice. Fifth is your packing slip. And the last one will be mark ship. So first of all, when you click on view details, it will lead you to this page. So you as a seller, what you do is that there are several order status over here that requires you to manually update it. For example, if the customer has proceeded with the payment, all you need to do is just click processing and update over here. Whereas for other cases, like once the shipment is done, then you can click either ship, and once the customer receives it, you can click on completed. Every time, please be reminded to click this update. So for the third icon, which is the commission invoice, basically what you see over here is the Race2Buy logo, and then after that you have your commission invoice stating what product you have sold, and of course this admin fees will be the fees that you actually pay to Race2Buy as a seller, and your total earnings over here will be displayed as well. As for the fourth icon, it will be a store invoice. So what you see over here is actually your store invoice, where if customer requests for any invoice, you can actually print this out and pass to them. This is the total amount paid by the customer. So for packing slip, if you require, you just download. And then the last icon over here will be mark ship. So by mark ship, meaning the moment you click over here, you are able to track the shipment info. Seller is supposed to key in the tracking code after shipment. For example, as a customer, what you can do is you can actually track your parcel delivery by keying in the tracking.my over here, and then you enter your tracking number. After that, you pick the courier that the vendor actually sent, and there you go, you can check your status of the delivery. So once the vendor click the mark ship, so basically what changes over here is that it becomes a ship status. And after this, from the customer's side, basically they will need to mark as received when the item reaches the customer. So finally, from vendor's side, what you need to do is click this mark as complete, and the total transaction will be carried out. And basically, your transaction will be completed and the deal is done. That's all for today's shipping features, and we'll see you next time.